Boolean search. I really hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So basically what it is you can search for marketing manager or marketing advisor, for example. Um, or market. So you have the options of or, you have the option of and. So you want marketing managers and marketing advisors. And Sales Navigator will then find those people for you. The same goes here when it comes to matching. So you can say I only want people that have marketing advisor in their title. So then Sales Navigator again will find those people. So as you can see, then it is keyword match, so we'll either find it in their company, in their title, but it's really powerful. And that way you can really filter down a lot better into the people that you're looking for. Usually it works a little bit better than searching by function. If you have a really clear ideal customer profile that you're going after, and this is something that you definitely want to check out as well, to search for more leads using Sales Navigator.